Ready to carve out a new space on the web for your next big idea? Let's get right to adding a subdomain in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the Websites tab on the top menu here. You'll see a list of your current websites, find the main domain you want to create a subdomain for and click the Manage button next to it. This will take you to your website's control panel. Scroll down or search within the panel to find the Subdomains section. It's usually located under the domain category, but might vary slightly depending on your specific hosting or layout. Click on it. Now you'll see the subdomain creation form in the subdomain field. Enter the name you want for your subdomain, for example, blog or shop. This will be the part that comes before your main domain name, like below your domain.com. Then, in the custom folder for subdomain field, either type the name of the folder you want to create or leave it blank to use the default suggestion. This folder will contain all the files for your new subdomain website. Double check everything is correct and then click the Create button. Hostinger will then work its magic to set up the subdomain. You should see your new subdomain listed with an active status. It might take a few minutes for the DNS records to propagate across the internet, meaning it might not be instantly accessible. Once the DNS has propagated, you can start uploading your website files to the folder you specified earlier. And just like that, your subdomain will be live. Remember to explore Hostinger's file manager or use an FTP client to upload your website files. Happy building!